This video focuses Introduction to Python Generators by asking Chat, Introduction to Python Generators, with examples and code explanations. We can get the basic knowledge of Python generators. Python generators are a powerful tool for creating iterators in a concise and efficient way. A generator is a function that allows you to iterate through a sequence of values, without storing them in memory all at once. This is especially useful when dealing with large datasets. Here are key features of generators. Memory efficiency. Generators yield items one at a time and only when requested, which means they do not store the entire sequence in memory. Simplified code. Generators can be easier to write and understand than the equivalent class-based iterators. State retention. Generators maintain their state between iterations, which means they can remember where they left off. Let us explore example 1. Creating a generator using a generator function. You can create a generator function using the yield keyword. When the function is called, it returns a generator object which can be iterated over. In this example, the function count_up_ generates numbers from 1 to n. The yield statement produces a value and pauses the function's execution. When the generator is iterated, it resumes from where it left off, continuing until the next yield. Next, example 2. Creating a generator using generator expressions. Generator expressions provide a more compact way to create generators. They are similar to list comprehensions, but use parentheses instead of square brackets. In this example, the expression x*x for x in range 1, 6 creates a generator that yields the squares of numbers from 1 to 5. Here are use cases for generators. Generators are particularly useful in scenarios like reading large files line by line, generating infinite sequences, processing streams of data. Now let us explore example 3, reading a large file. In this example, this generator reads a large file line by line, yielding each line one at a time, which avoids loading the entire file into memory. Finally, let's take another look at key points of generators. Generators are a powerful feature in Python that can help you write more efficient and readable code. They are especially useful for handling large datasets and streams of data, allowing you to process items one at a time rather than all at once.